Ever wondered why yawning is contagious? It's not just a strange quirk. Scientists have a shocking explanation. It all starts with mirror neurons. These neurons mirror what we see. When you see someone yawn, your brain activates. This is linked to empathy and connection. And it goes beyond just yawning. Studies show we yawn more around friends. In fact, about 60% of people will yawn back. But why does this matter? It's a signal of social bonding. Yawning can even boost alertness. So next time you yawn, remember this science. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.